drone. That's lens flare there. Darn. There it goes way over there, I think. You'll see some twinkles here and there. But I noticed the green flashing light started right above here, cut off and took off that way. It's lucky to get that, but I've seen that green light before. It reminded me of when I was at my house. There's a video a few weeks, maybe a month or so back, and it was just this green light that was darting around, and I caught the last few seconds of it, did a breakdown of it, and that reminded me of that. And it just looked like a little star almost, bright green. It took off pretty far, so I don't think you know, a civilian drone, but take a look at the video for sure.